I feel tears welling up, going deep inside, like my heart's gonna get broke. And the stab of loneliness, sharp and painful, that I may never shake. You might say that I was taking it hard since you broke me off with a call. But don't you wager that I'll hide the sorrow when I'm a brick right down the ball. Now the race is on and here comes pride in the backstretch. Heart is going to the inside. My tears are holding back. They're trying not to fall. My heart's out of the running. True love scratch for another's sake. The race is on and it looks like heartaches. And the winner loses all. One day I ventured in love, never once suspecting what the final result would be. Now I lived in fear when you left me each morning, finding that you'd gone from me. Forsaken pain in my heart for the name of the one that I had to replace. Somebody new came up to win her, and I came out in second place. Now the race is on and here comes pride at the backstretch. Heart is going to the inside. My tears are going back. They're trying not